welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your Xclash progress using Apple ID or Game Center. First of all, log in into your correct Apple ID, go to settings and then click on your name and then go to Game Center and make sure you're signed in into the Apple ID from linked to your Xclash account. Next, launch the app. It should automatically sync your saved programs from the Game Center or iCloud. Next, close the app completely and reopen to trigger a fresh cloud sync. Privacy tip: only use your personal Apple ID to keep your game data safe. Quick fix: if the progress still does not restore, log out and back into the Game Center. Reinstall Xclash. Linked progress will sync back automatically. Contact Xclash support with your Apple ID for help, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick, fast gaming